psychologist Tom Glaser joins us today at noon with some details on an upcoming workshop at Eisenhower Health. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Great to be here.
Now, we're talking about a little bit about how to connect with others and also just general happiness. It's an interesting topic that you decided to focus on. How did this happen?
Yeah, well, the truth is I lost my dream job.
Okay.
I was depressed, but I noticed, Jeff, really happy people all around me.
Yeah.
And I got really curious. So I started asking questions,
Okay.
and it just snowballed into a series of documentaries and the book.
Okay, and so you actually wrote a book.
Yes.
Full Heart Living is the name of this book, and this book, kind of a discovery, a journey. You said you interviewed people that were happy.
Yes.
What were some of the stories that they told you? What were some of the breakthroughs that you discovered?
Well, the top things that I learned is that the happier people connect really deeply with other people, first of all, and with themselves and with their passions. Now, when people do those in the service of others, that's where we get kind of that holy grail.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and there's all kinds of other things, there's other chapters, but those are the top learnings, and hence the workshops focus on connecting with other people.
You're going to be having a workshop here on Wednesday. We'll give you the details if you want to find out more about this, but it's fascinating because you found some things out about personal fulfillment and happiness.
Yes.
You say when you're helping other people, and that kind of falls in line with that passion that really it's just kind of, you get a really good effect there.
You got it.
Makes people happy.
Yes.
That's interesting. So this is going to be on Wednesday. Tell us about the program. It's going to be at Eisenhower.
Yes, it's an interactive program. What I learned really quickly when I was out doing public speaking on my book is that people don't know or remember how to connect. So this is interactive, really experiencing how to connect in the moment. I lead people through a listening activity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, can they be on their phones, looking at their phones while they're doing this listening activity?
Stop it. No, that's the thing. That's the problem. We think we're connected when we're doing all our devices, and we're spending way too much time doing that.
Yeah.
We evolved to relate interpersonally.
It sounds like what you're saying is that connecting with people, you kind of have to put the technical devices down, because it might actually be making somebody maybe unhappy.
Absolutely. We get more disconnected.
Yeah.
They help us with information. They don't help us truly connect heart to heart with other people.
Fascinating.
Yeah.
Let's give you the details again. This is going to be Wednesday at 2 o'clock to 3 at the Helene Galen Auditorium, Annenberg Health Sciences Building. The details are right there. It's just $5 to get in. You can pay it right there at the door. And so the public, anybody's welcome to come, and they're going to hear, what are they going to hear? They're going to hear you and others talking, or just is it you?
No, it's me, and I lead them through this activity where we practice connecting. So you have an immediate experience that you can take with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
It should be great. Again, Wednesday, 2 to 4, there at the Eisenhower campus. Thanks so much for being here with us today. Have a great time with the presentation on Wednesday.
Thank you.